Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial here. So in this particular tutorial we are actually going to do some auto typing as you see on your screen or on the screen. Okay, so we will be using some documentation from Mathbolt. Okay, I don't know if I got it right, and he clearly explains everything. Okay, so basically we'll just have to use to copy this. Okay, so that said, I already have my VS Code launched, so I'm going to open VS Code. Okay, so with my VS Code, I'm going to create an index file. Okay, so an HTML file, so index dot HTML. Then I'll create that of CSS, so main dot CSS. Okay, so in my index, okay, I'm going to just shift and then colon, fetch me the boilerplate for the HTML document, and then I'm going to change my title to auto typing. So auto typing. Okay, so now let's also link our HTML, sorry, our main. Okay, that's our CSS, so we'll just type link, and then I'm going to select this. Okay, and then I'll change the style here to main, since that's the name of my CSS file, main.css, as we have here. Okay, so I've linked the two sheets together, or documents or files. Okay, so now I've split my screen into two, and then let's work with the HTML side first. So I'm going to create a container, so container, or let's do dot container. So, or let's use div dot container. So inside this container is going to contain our text. So I'm going to create an h1 tag. So h1, then the h1 I'm going to type I am, or am, um let's say Kelvin, and then let's create a span. Okay, so the span is going to help us achieve this. Okay, so we want to be able to create this particular effect with the help of the span. Actually, the span should just be, it actually doesn't have like a particular function, but you can use it to help you achieve certain things. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to create a span. So the span is going to be empty for now, or we can, you can decide to type something inside. Okay, so let's see it in our auto typing document. So this what we have. I would have to increase this. Okay, so I'm going to increase this now for, okay, so this what we have, and then I'll, inside the span I'll create a class. So the opening tag for our span, I'm going to create a tag. So I'll give it a name, auto typing, or let's use typing. So that's a class auto, or let's use typing. So typing. So that's what we have now. And then yeah, so in the next lesson we'll add the JavaScript aspect, and then we'll work on the CSS. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.